Firstly, I have taken old acrylic paint bottles and I'm gonna soak it in water for half an hour. Make sure that the bottle is totally covered with water. Let's take a steel bowl and a small glass. I'm taking half a glass of plaster of Paris. If you don't have plaster of Paris, you can also use wall putty or white cement. We are using this material because by mixing only white glue and the coloring substance, we are not gonna get the acrylic color, because once the paint dries it might be transparent, so we need to use plaster of Paris here. Okay, so here I'm taking 1 cup of white glue. You can get this from any stationery shop. Just buy a small bottle and that is more than enough. I usually buy 1 kg white glue because I need to make videos continuously, so I'm in need of white glue. That's the reason I buy in bulk. Now take 1/3 glass of water and mix with the Fevicol that has been stuck on the walls of the glass. Mix this paste for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we are gonna add one more material, that's talcum powder. Just add 2 tablespoons of talcum powder, that's enough, and again start mixing the paste. You need to get this consistency, like not too watery or too hard. See, once you leave the pop stick, it shouldn't sink too fast. Now I'm gonna fill these bottles with this paste. Do watch the video to full so that you can see the result of these acrylic colors on paper, clay, and even on glass. So I'm filling all the bottles. Take a pack of sketch pens. This will cost around 10 to 20 rupees only. So now I'm gonna take away the refill that's inside the sketch. With the help of ink filler, add drop by drop of water from one side of the refill and press the top and squeeze towards the down direction so that you can get all the pigment. Mix well. We really got a good color. So this is just like acrylic colors. In a similar way, we are going to make all the colors in the bottle and mix well. So here is green color, for the brown color I have already added the sketch pigment, and now for more darker color I am adding coffee powder. And here is the light green. You can see the viscosity of the paint. They are just like acrylic colors and so vibrant. And now we are going to paint with these acrylic colors. So first I'm gonna paint over paper. You can see I'm giving very thin layer of this paint and they are so vibrant. They are so real, like store-bought acrylic colors. If you really need more darker colors, I think you need to buy one more sketch pack. This is radium color and this is my favorite yellow color. And for the white I have not added any color. Here is clay flower and let's test over this. For that I am taking flat brush and gonna paint 5 colors to the 5 petals. I am really in love with this paint because I did not expect this much vibrant colors. I thought they might be transparent once they are dried, but they are not. So here is the multicolor flower. Now let's test on this glass. Clean the glass and wipe out with tissue paper, and with a round brush we are going to paint flowers, just a kind of rough flowers. With these homemade acrylic colors, I think you should try making glass bottle decor, painting over them and painting on glass frames. Even once it dries, the colors are really vibrant and dark. Actually, the colors are more darker once they are dried. You can try it out and let me know in the comments. I need to say something in the end of the video that most people do mistakes in doing these acrylic colors. So wait and watch. I'll show you how they look once they are dried. Here is my handmade flower with homemade clay. Now let's test our beautiful vibrant colors over this flower. I really couldn't believe that a 10 rupee sketch bag can give this much vibrant color. Now result time, so let's see the result. You can see the colors, they are absolutely great even once they are dried up. They are vibrant, they are soft. So I highly recommend making this at home. Next, coming to the clay flower. Our acrylic colors worked on this too. Wow! Let's see what happened to my glass. Oh god, this is also amazing. You can see the colors are dried and I'm trying to scrub it off and that ain't coming. Okay, now let's put some water over these flowers. Okay, so they are not friendly with water. Hence, I recommend you to use these acrylic colors only for home decor purposes or craft, art and craft, that is it, and not on the utensils. This flower did not lose its vibrant color even 1%, so you can also use this color on clay. Here is something that I would like to say at the end of the video, that is, few people use kumkum powder, turmeric and other powder for making acrylic colors and they are totally a failure. Please do not make use of them. You can see they are not like real acrylic colors. They are transparent, you can compare. If you don't want to use sketch pens, you can blend the green leaves, carrot, beetroot and use their pigments, but you know they are kind of costly, so I recommend you to use the sketch pens. You can store these acrylic colors in refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks according to how you use. Thank you for watching the video till end. If you really like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell icon and watch our other videos too. Surely you will love it.